how to enable or disable lock, network, and security on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Once you are in here, tap on secure lock settings. Then enter in the current PIN or password and tap on the continue button. Now go down to the last option and tap on lock, network, and security. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Here, if this is turned on, it says prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. So here, if the phone is locked, sorry, because I have this button here, so I'll lock my screen. And if I swipe down and I try to turn it off, it will ask me to enter in the PIN before I can actually switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.